I'd like to call this study session to order. And actually, on the agenda, there are two things that seem to be missing from the agenda that I thought might be on this evening, and maybe someone can tell me why they seem to be missing. I thought that we were going to spend some time this evening talking about the colleague Datatel software and new hires in HR that would tell us a little bit about HRIS, the Human Resources Inventory System. That seems to have gone astray, and I'm just wondering, is there a reason for that? Or
Mr. Chairman, members of the board, my understanding from the meeting that I had with you and the chairman was that we would do that at the April business meeting. And so that's what we're planning.
I mean, that's fine with me. So I just wanted to know if there was another time for that. And then I take it at that meeting, that's when we also plan to, because I thought on this agenda we would see some time set aside to talk about how frequently we were going to meet every month.
Yeah, Mr. Chairman, members of the board, same, we have set aside a time that'll be on your study session to talk about meeting frequency as well as format. Trustee Erickson had offered some suggestions about format. The chair wanted to be present for that conversation, so we'll do that on April 17th.
That's fine. Thank you for those clarifications. This is a study session, but I think we'll follow the same format that Carol is trying to establish for business meetings tonight, and that is that we will have administrators report on the various agenda items. Then we will have board members ask questions if there are any. We'll then move to staff and faculty for questions, the general public, and Lisa said that I seem to be behaving myself better already sitting in this chair. Only after everyone else is satisfied with their questions will I offer any remarks. So that doesn't mean I'm going to behave myself, though.
And you get the last word.
Not necessarily. So the first thing on our agenda this evening is the budget development process, and we have Cindy Henning and Chad Marley here this evening. And you know, the things that we would like to know is there's been some complaining about budget process over the years. So if you could, Cindy and